Hello, everybody. Welcome to a smart grasp, explore, and win. Greetings for the day. Let's get started with today's topic.
Class 6, Chapter 1, Exercise 1.1. In that, first sum, fill in the blanks. So, first subdivision is 1 lakh equal to dash 10,000. So, we are supposed to write the equivalent value of 1 lakh in terms of 10,000. So, for that, we will write 1 lakh by 10,000. So, on cancelling, we have the answer 10. So there are 10 thousands in 1 lakh. 10 into 10,000 gives us 1 lakh. So that is the meaning of it. We are just reformatting the lakhs in terms of 10,000. Similarly, B sum 1 million equal to dash 100,000. So let's write 1 million first. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, then million divided by 100,000. Again, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. Now let's cancel. So when we cancel all these zeros, the left out value is 10. Therefore, 1 million equal to 10 hundred thousands. There are 10 hundred thousands in 1 million. Now, 1 crore equal to dash 10 lakh. So let's write 1 crore. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore by 10 lakh. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now let's cancel the zeros. Finally, we have 10. Therefore, 1 crore equal to 10 lakh. Now 1 crore equal to dash million. So let's write the value 1 crore. Divided by million. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million. Now let's cancel the zeros. Finally, we will be left out with the value 10. So 1 crore equal to 10 million. And the last subdivision, 1 million equal to dash lakh. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. By lakh. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. Now let's cancel all the zeros. So we will have the answer 10. So 1 million equal to 10 lakh. In order to convert, we have to write the exact value divided by the asked term and find the final answer. Moving on to the second sum, place commas correctly and write the numerals. So we have to place the comma and write the numerals accordingly. 73 lakh 75,307. Some students get too confused and they'll be struggling to place the zeros and numerals at the correct place. So for that, in rough column, we can write the position names. That is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now let's try to convert it into numerals. So the first subdivision has 73 lakh. Let's write 73 in the place of lakhs. Next, 75,000. So in the places of thousands, we will be writing 75. 307. 307. So this is the exact value. 7375307. Now we have to place comma. So we will place the commas like after 3 digits, then after two digits. Next, 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Let's include the places crore, 10 crore. Now 9 crore. So in the place of crore we will write 9. Next 5 lakh. So in the place of lakh we will write 5. And next we have 41. So we can write 41. So the remaining places are filled with zeros. So this is the final answer. On placing the comma, after 3 digits, then 2 digits and 2 digits. Since this is the Indian system, we are placing the comma in this fashion. See sum. 7 crore, 52 lakh. Next, 21,000. So in the places of 1,000, we will write 21. Finally, we have 302. That is 302. 302. This is the final value. Again, it is the Indian system format, so we will place the commas as per the Indian system. Next, we have the D sum million. That is, it is in the international system format. So we have to write the position terms accordingly. That is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So this is the international system format. Now on observing the question, we will fill the places accordingly to finalize the numerals. 58 million. So let's write 58 here. 423,000. So 423. So these three digits should be written in the place 1000 because it is 423,000. So in the place of thousands, we have to write 423. And finally, we have 202. So 202. Now let's write the final answer. So after three digits, we are supposed to place our commas because this is the international system. Whatever system it might be, we will be placing the commas from right hand side to left hand side. So if it is an Indian system, we will be placing the commas like after three digits, then followed by two digits. But if it is international system, we will be placing the commas after every three digits. We are always supposed to move from right hand side to the left hand side in placing the commas. Next, last subdivision, 23 lakh. So in lakh, we will write 23, 30,000, 10. In thousand, we will write 30,000, 10. So we will write 10. The remaining place is 0. So this is the final value. If at all we came across the term lakh, crore, then it comes in Indian system. If at all we come across the word million or 100,000, then it comes under international system. So that is the key difference between the Indian and international system in order to identify if the numbers are written in names. So on observing the keywords given in the question, we can easily segregate it whether it is Indian system or international system. If at all it is international system, we have to place commas after every three digits. If it is Indian system, we will be placing commas after three digits, then followed by two digits. Now let's move on to the third sum. Third sum, insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. So in the given subdivisions, we are supposed to place the commas as per the Indian system. Also, we are supposed to write the number names as per the Indian system standards. So before starting, let's write the positions names, that is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, then comes the 10 crore. Now let's start with placing the commas. As per Indian system, we will be placing the commas after three digits, then followed by two digits. Now let's write the number name. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So it should be 8 crore. Next, in the place of lakhs, we have 75. So 75 lakh. Then in the place of 1,000, we have 95. So 95,000. Finally, we have 762. So 762. Similarly, next sum, Let's place the commas after 3 digits, then followed by two digits. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now let's write the number names. In the place of lakh, we have 85. Hence, 85 lakh. Next, we have 46 in the place of thousands. So, 46,000. Finally, we have 283. So, let's write that. 283. This is the number name in the Indian system for this given numeral. Third subdivision, 3 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits. So we have placed the commas. Now, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. So the commas will be in this fashion. Now let's write the number name, 9 crore. Next we have 99 in the place of lakhs, 99 lakh. Next we don't have any value in the place of thousands. Hence we can skip that, and finally we have 46. So let's write 46. Last subdivision, 3 digits, 2 digits, and 2 digits. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Same as crore. 9 crore. Then we have 84 in the place of lakh. So 84 lakh. Then we have 32 in the place of thousand. So 32,000. And finally we have 701. So let's write 701. Now let's move on to the fourth sum. It is similar to the third sum, but the only difference is here we are supposed to relate it with international system of numeration. So let's write the position names first. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. The commas will be after every 3 digits. So first let's place the comma after 3 digits from right to left direction. So similarly for the B sum, C sum, and finally D sum. After every 3 digits, we will be placing our commas. Now we can easily write the number names. The rightmost groups are in ones, tens, hundred. The second group belongs to thousands, and the third group falls in million. So 78 comes in the million group. Hence 78 million. Next, the hundredth group, 921. So let's write 921 thousands, because this 921 falls in the thousandth group. That is the second group. So 921,000. And finally we have 92. So let's write that as well, 92. Moving on to B sum, ones, tens, hundred, and this in thousand group. The other one is million. So 7 million. Next we have 452,000. 452 falls in thousand group. So 452,000. Finally, we have 283. So let's write 283. 83. 83. Now moving on to C sum. Same, the 99 falls in million group. 99 million. Next we have 985 in 1000 group. So 985,000. Finally, we have 102. So let's write 102. That's all. Moving on to the last subdivision, 48 million. So 48. So 48 million. Next we have 49 in the thousand place. So let's write as 49,000. The last group is 831. So 831. And yes, with this, we have completed this exercise.
Thank you all for watching Smart. Grasp, explore, and win. Stay tuned for more videos.